Hello, welcome to my video. My name's Alina, thanks for checking it out. And today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day video. It's a, pretty realistic, healthy-ish video. Like I'm not eating like, acai bowls and all that stuff, but it's healthier than I used to eat and that's the goal. So since about August, I've been trying to eat healthier than I used to because I'm trying to lose weight. And so far I've lost, I think, 13 pounds. Woohoo! So yeah, I'm just going to show you what I've been eating to help me lose that weight. And if you guys like this video, let me know and I'll make more. And let's get started. For breakfast, I made this super easy peanut butter banana shake. This stuff is so easy to make and it straight up tastes like dessert. I'm going to use a frozen banana. For my liquid, I like to use almond milk. I like the unsweetened vanilla almond milk by Trader Joe's. Obviously, feel free to use any type of milk you like. And then we're going to need some peanut butter. I am personally obsessed with the Justin's Honey Roasted Peanut Butter. And by the way, never buy this at Whole Foods. They sell it for double the price. It's like 12 bucks there, which is ridiculous. And last but not least, I like to throw in some instant coffee. It gives it a nice kick of flavor. I buy mine from Trader Joe's. So to start off, we're going to throw in one frozen banana into our blender. I'm going to fill the blender about 3/4 of the way with the almond milk. I think that's around 1.5 cups. We're going to top that off with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and sprinkle in about 1 teaspoon of coffee. By the way, if you want this shake to be more filling, I suggest throwing in some oats as well. I personally wake up a little late, so there isn't a huge gap between breakfast and lunchtime for me, so the shake is filling enough for me without the oats, but it's something you can try. So, for lunch, I made this really easy chickpea salad. I like to make the night before so it's quick and easy to grab before work in the morning. So for our base, we're going to need some spring mixed greens. We'll also need a can of chickpeas. We're going to need some cucumbers. I like to buy baby cucumbers, but you can use the big ones if that's what you're into. I have some pre-shredded carrots because I'm a little lazy and honestly, I don't even own a grater, but normal carrots are obviously fine too. We're also going to use half an avocado, and for the dressing, I like to buy the Trader Joe's Green Goddess dressing. So I'm just going to rinse and chop some spring mix and fill my Tupperware a little more than halfway. I like to chop it because I'm a child and it makes it easier to eat. I'm going to cut up 2 baby cucumbers and toss it in, along with a handful of shredded carrots. As you can see, I don't do a lot of measuring here. Honestly, it's hard to ruin a basic salad. Next, I'm going to dice half an avocado. I'm fully aware this isn't the prettiest avocado in the world. Listen, they brown really fast, and I'm not about to throw it out because it's ugly. It does the job. I'm going to drain and rinse this jar of chickpeas and use about half a cup for my salad. Chickpeas are such an easy source of protein to throw in a salad. There's absolutely no cooking involved. It's so fast. So to finish off the salad, I'm going to season it with a little bit of black pepper and sea salt. I like to pack my dressing in a separate container so it doesn't get all soggy. I measured about 3 tablespoons. Fun fact, this dressing is only 10 calories per tablespoon and it tastes great, so it's a pretty solid option. So after lunch, I had a mini Snickers and Starburst. Listen, this was post-Halloween and there was candy all around the office and your girl has next to no willpower. But, they were tiny, so it's not that big of a deal, whatever. So dinner came around and I actually had some leftover takeout that I ordered a few days before. So to start off, I had some minestrone soup. It's basically just a bunch of vegetables with some beans and pasta. And then I had some Indian food. So I'm aware this doesn't look appealing, but I swear it was actually really good. So this is just a little bit of chicken korma, and I ate it with a piece of Trader Joe's garlic naan. So that's my day, guys. Thanks for checking it out, and if you like it, please like and subscribe.